Hey y'all, just wanted to tell everybody thank you for the likes and the views on our videos. Uh, had a couple of people say, "Oh, we're not going to subscribe to YouTube to watch y'all's videos." Look, it don't cost nothing. It don't cost nothing to hit the like button. You can watch YouTube for free. You don't have to pay, a monthly fee or nothing. Uh, just want to thank everybody that PM'd us and uh, give us little pointers and stuff to do, like hold the camera higher, hillbilly talk a little louder, stuff like that. On this video today, my dad had bought a '94 second gen Dodge, and I am trying to make him a dash, just anything that will keep his stuff from falling in the floor and just kind of look a little better, stuff like that. Somewhere you don't have to hunt your headlight switch and your heaters and heater controls and stuff like that every time you want to turn them on or off. Uh, I got sick towards the end of the video, and whenever I got well, I was like needing to get it done. Just didn't really feel like or care nothing about videoing or taking any pictures even. So you'll see different steps that I took to get it to a certain point, and then all of a sudden it's just done. And what I did whenever in between that time is I finished fiberglassing it. I fiberglassed over the wood to stick everything together with fiberglass. I put in the heater control valves, no, the settings or whatever, and drilled the holes and all for the headlight switch and all to go. Uh, Sanded and ground all that extra stuff that was dripping off, all that extra fiberglass, ground it down, made it look decent. And the black layer that you're seeing on the top is a bed liner. Uh, this total project should have took me in good weather, uh, with decent days, like sun shining and all. Like I said, it kept raining, getting cold, getting hot. So anyway, it should have took me like 2 or 3 days. Yes, I could have done a lot better job, uh, made it look prettier and stuff. But my daddy ain't all about that. He's just about function. He just wants it to work, So that's what I give him. Uh, Total cost the would have been around $100. Uh, the fiberglass kits was what cost the most. The wood I had left over from another project, and the bed liner I had left over from another project. So anyway, y'all watch this video if you will. Like, subscribe to our channel. Like I said, it's free to subscribe. It's free to hit that like button, and comment on it. We'd like to hear back from some of y'all. I know a lot of y'all know us personally, so y'all message us on our private messages on Facebook, different things. When we talk to each other on the phone or something, give us little pointers and stuff, and we appreciate it. We're not going to take offense by it. But anyway, hope you like this video, and see you guys next week. I'm working on a second gen Dodge gas burner. My dad just picked this up cheap, and as you can see, typical second gen, no dash. It had rats living in it, so I've been blowing it out, bleaching it, blowing it out, getting all the rats out of it, rat mess. So what I'm trying to do now is make some sort of a dash for this thing. As you can see, I have pretty well nothing to work with. The rats had got up in here. Camera is not focusing. Anyway, they got up in there, got up in the ducts. Had rat nest built all behind the glove compartment, what's left of the glove compartment. So I took the seats out, gonna power wash them, get the smell out. Finished taking the floor mat out. I'm gonna clean it, bleach it, Febreze it. Got another door panel for it. I know it's just an old work truck, but we're trying to make it, or at least when you put your gloves or whatever on the dash, it don't fall to the floorboard. Okay, I didn't film all the junk I've been doing. I got this piece of, it's like paneling. Some people call it wallboard. I'm making me a template out of it. I'm gonna fiberglass it and build a, fiberglass front. Just build a dash. Not too complicated. But anyway, let's see how this turns out. Update on the dash. No, it's not gonna look stock. It ain't supposed to. It's just supposed to work. It's supposed to have a place for your lights, place for your air conditioner controls, and keep stuff from falling down in the top of the dash. I still got to sand it, do some more fiberglass work, sand it again. Come on, phone. But at least the heater will work, and the defroster will work, the vents will work. You'll be able to see the speedometer, turn your lights on and off, have a place for your air conditioner and heater without having to chase everything down in the floorboards. But yeah, getting closer. Doing a lot of work at night, so I haven't been filming anything. But anyway, there's my progress so far. Alright, here's the final dash. That's bed liner. It ain't the prettiest, but it's functional. If I had it to do over, I would move this over to here. It's too close this way to the left. And it's making the controls hit the heater duct, air conditioner duct behind it. Yeah, waiting to get a knob. But right now I just made a bracket. Pull out cold air, push in hot air. Knob was stripped out, so waiting on that. Everything else works. Functional. It might not be pretty, but it works.